one of our instructors, Gabby, is pregnant at the moment.
She's having twins.
So tonight, one of her classes is actually having like a little like party for her. They're surprising her. So
They're so cute. No, don't snap it yet. We're gonna go get more
it's not on snap. It's not on snap.
Oh. Where's our closest store? There's a Dollar Tree literally like. Oh, right there. Okay, let's go. Okay.
I bought her 2 baby clothes with some pants in the back with deers and bunnies.
That's really cute.
And then stockies. Ooh, stockies. And then I got her a flower crown. A little flower crown.
Cute. That's so cute. No, you guys are cute. You guys like texted about this or what?
Yeah. We've been planning it for like almost a month now.
Since like before break, huh?
Yeah.
That's so cute. Wow. They got some pizza.
You know I'm a dip in that.
Right. This is so cute, you guys. We're so cool. We're like the coolest.
He's freaking class.
Right?
They're so cute.
She's gonna remember us forever.
I thought you wanted to get the chips.
No, I got the chips.
You guys, go inside.
Close your eyes.
Yes, you can.
Oh, I can get you.
Close your eyes. I already saw.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, I can see.
You guys are so cute.
Congratulations!
On behalf of your Monday class,
That's so sweet.
congratulations on your baby. And
Babies.
True.
Babies.
We're so excited for you, and you're gonna be the best mom to your twins.
Is she gonna cry?
That's so nice. So we just wanted to do this for you and congratulate you.
Yeah, congrats.
We brought pizza.
Yeah, we brought pizza.
Oh, and you can see my bunches. Yeah.
Okay, ready? Everyone get your picture now. Stand a little bit.
I don't even want to look at you guys.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's cute.
That's so
We
cute.
did color brows today, guys.
Yeah, today's theme was color brows.
And it just goes with the day because we had fantasy class this morning and then the advanced course tonight.
It's gonna
So,
start.
let me see the moon. Oh, that's cute. That one's really cool. Yeah. Oh, dripping in gold. Okay.
Yeah, that one. See, that one's better. So do that smile.
Here, just go ahead and stand right there.
Okay, so
This is the ring light and then the chair. Thank you, girl.
because it's all real, 100% human hair.
Does it look like me?
No.
Let me see.
I know those.
Oh no, these shoes don't go with this outfit. That's why I covered them.
But those shoes are cute.
Yeah, but not with this, you know.
But they're so short.
Shorts though. Do you sweat under that?
Not right now. It's not that hot. But one day I was wearing them and I was sweating in them because it was really hot. Yeah, when I went to Rolling Loud, that's when I was sweating. I wore them and I was sweating because we were in the crowds and it was hot.
How's it that your guys' lipstick doesn't get messed up after you eat? And I had like a little black thing on my tooth and nobody told me.
I didn't see it.
I was all laughing. I messed up. These girls here, don't ever trust them to tell you got a booger in your nose, you got something in your teeth.
We
Don't,
notice.
because they never say anything.
I would say something if I
They're
did.
not down.
I would know I would. If I noticed, I would tell you.
Oh, Des is trying to say we always look bomb.
Oh, Des. We should go see what Urban's doing.
Thank you.
Urban, what
Oh wow! Oh wow! What's going on here?
I don't know what's going on with
Hot in
you.
here.
It's
All of a
'cause-
sudden, you're
it's
hot.
because we walked in. That's why.
Who's
You're
hot
never
in
hot
here?
We should bring
In
the
the office.
connector so you can connect
Let
to
me
the
show
TV
them,
and we
like-
can play here.
Yeah, they play, switch.
Switch.
No, y'all play like Mario Kart.
Oh, Mario Kart's fun.
Yeah.
I like Mario.
For cheesy.
Let's do it.
Mine easy. I got the cream colors going on today.
It's a easy color.
Oh,
easy.
Honestly, I was supposed to vlog earlier, but I forgot. So now we're just going with it. Do some vlogging.
Oh.
With my little right now, if you shed a tear, I'm gonna be so upset,
Oh, I just barely started recording.
and I'm never gonna do your makeup again.
I missed all
You said
the.
it the last time,
I know.
but here we are.
I know.
Myra's over there taking selfies. Let me see.
Myra, I don't know how she does it.
I know Myra takes the bombest selfies.
The MAC Cinder Black Pro Longwear Waterproof Color Stick.
That's the longest name ever.
That's what it's called.
It does.
Oh, you're getting your
I'm
socks
getting
in?
my shoes.
Yeah.
Don't judge me. Bomb.
Well, are you cold or what?
I'm cold. Look at me. I'm cold.
Hi. Your hair looks nice.
Thank you.
But Juanito,
Huh?
are you sick?
He's
No.
cold.
Oh.
I'm just cold.
All right, so we're gonna bronze her.
Look, he's back at it with the cream on 2
and I'm
days
gonna
straight.
take-
Silky.
Your hair is so long.
Not even.
Yeah.
It's because Armin has some extensions beaded in.
I got
That's
some
okay.
extensions.
We got our Friday makeovers happening with Myra.
Starting Myra.
What glitter did you use?
And I used that as the base, and that already gave it a shimmer, and then that just made a pop.
I love these galactic things, I'm telling you. They are slept on.
I didn't know what that was used for, but
This is a scene. The students are shopping.
anyways, so it's just me and Des. We're all alone right now.
Yeah.
We're about to take over Cosmo right now. Just kidding.